The LUMIX S5IIX has the added bonus of anamorphic support, which allows you to create really unique looks and cinematic effects. There's actually quite a large range of full frame and Super 35 anamorphic lenses for the L-mount ecosystem. This camera offers true handheld anamorphic shooting experience with features that allow you to view de-squeezed footage on the monitor across a range of different squeeze factors, as well as anamorphic stabilization tuned for compressed width lenses. You can also take advantage of features like Open Gate, which allows you to record full sensor 6K and really take advantage of a full frame anamorphic lens. This all makes anamorphic shooting very easy and incredibly fun.